Setting the emergency brake for Chevy vehicles. This is going to be current for all electronic parking brakes for Chevy models. We have electronic parking brake. You can see it to the left of the steering wheel. It says P. So what you're going to want to do is when you are in park, you just simply grab that P and you're just going to pull that lever back. And you'll hear some buzzing in the back, and that's the parking brake getting set. You can see here on the dash there is a P saying it's set, and now when I step on the brake and I'm going to try to put it in gear, and the car is not moving at all. So what you need to do, and you can do this in gear and out of gear, and I'm going to show you. So we're just going to take this, step on our brake, so our brake pedal has to be pushed down, and then we're going to push this forward, and then you can see it says park brake released, and so it is released, and now I can just start to move out backwards. Okay, you do not have to be in park. It is highly suggested though that when you're going to use the emergency parking brake, put your vehicle in park, come over here, pull that towards you. That will set the parking brake. It says parking brake is set. And then if you want to disengage, if I just pull this back, this one says step on brake to release park brake. So again, we're going to step on that brake pedal down there, push down, and we're going to come here and push this forward. That will release our emergency parking brake. Park brake released. Then we can put it in gear and we can move. Hopefully this helps you set and release your emergency parking brake.